Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can add Google account in your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to add any Google account to your device, you have to follow the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video till end and you will learn how you can add any Google account to your device.